Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question that is 670 maximum swap, and in this we'll be given an integer num and we can swap two digits. Basically we can just perform one swap and we have to return them at most once to get the maximum value number, and we have to return the maximum value number we get. Okay, for example we are having number as 2736, so the output will be 7236. We'll just swap two digits which are 2 and 7, so that basically makes up it one swap, and we'll be having our answer. And the next example we are having 973, so we don't need any swap. Okay, so for this what we'll have to do is basically we'll be using some greedy approach, and for this what we'll be checking is we'll be finding the maximum number and replacing it with the second smallest number, or let's say the smallest number, whichever it is possible. Okay, so now let's have the max number. So let's say it's initially -1 because we can't take 0 because it can be a valid answer. Okay, and let's say index 1 of swap, which is -1, and index 2 of swap, which is -1. Now let's have character number, or let's call it n, so that is equal to int string dot value of num dot to character array. It will be easier to traverse and swap values on this. Okay, and let's call it number only. Let's not be a lot of time saving, and let's have n that is equal to number dot length. Okay, now we'll be starting to traverse from the right side, or you can do it from the left also. It won't be a big deal. Okay, so for int I equal to n minus 1, I greater than or equal to 0, I minus minus. Okay, we'll be finding the maximum number. Okay, firstly if we'll be checking that if max is equal to -1, or we'll have to check that the number current, basically number at I, is greater than my maximum number at max index, which is basically, this is not the maximum number, basically this is the index of the maximum number. Okay, so max, so in this case I'll have to update my maximum number, so max will be equal to I. Else what I'll be doing is I'll be checking, no sorry, else if hmm, else if my number at I is less than my number at max. Okay, so in this case what I'll be doing is I'll be updating my basically index for swap, so index 1 that is equal to -1, and oh sorry, index 1 that is equal to I, and index 2, so that will be equal to swap index 2, basically that will be equal to the index of the maximum digit. Okay, and at the end I'll be making the actual swap happen, so I'll be saying that if index is not equal to -1 and index 2 is not equal to -1, basically this means that we have found our answer. So let's have a cat temp, so that is equal to number at index 1, then I'll be updating the number at index 2, oh sorry, index 1 equal to number at index nums index 2, and then number at index 2 will be equal to temp, and then I'll be forming the number from this. So I'll be doing a return integer dot parse int from num, oh sorry, new string, and in the constructor I'll be passing the number. Now let's give it a run. ah if int is not equal to -1. Now let's give it a run again. Again it gets accepted. Now let's submit it, and works perfectly fine, and it gets accepted as well. Okay, so this was for today. Thank you for watching.